Differences between AR and VR and how they affect human behavior in education. What is VR? Virtual reality is the use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. It is a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way. It is commonly used with headsets and handheld devices, which allow for movement. This is an example of what VR is like. How does VR affect human behavior in education? According to Jeremy Bailenson, VR in education can teach students firsthand where to direct their attention, what consequences their actions will have, and even how to talk to another person. VR can also be used to teach students how to treat one another. VR can allow students to be put in other people's shoes. VR can also teach students how to be more environmentally cautious. It can allow students to see what the world would look like if deforestation never stopped, and that can drastically change their behavior. What is AR? Augmented reality is the real-time use of information in the form of text, graphics, audio, and other virtual enhancements integrated with real-world objects. AR is usually on the phone or tablet, but headsets can also be used. This picture is an example of AR. How does AR affect behavior in education? AR affects how people react once the headset is off. In education, AR can help inspire empathy between students. It helps students with their social skills, and it can also change how the student acts outside of AR. In a study done at Stanford University, a group of people had an AR headset, and once the headset was off, they avoided sitting in a seat because in the augmented reality, someone was sitting there. It completely changed their behavior. In conclusion, AR and VR are two different realities that have an effect on human behavior, but they both can be used to teach students right from wrong and how to behave and act.